Morning, guys. Hello. Hello. How are you? Fine. Fine. Ready for the lesson? Okay. Let's start. So, what did you do yesterday? Very interesting. And you? And you? Okay. Very good. And who remembers what we did at the last lesson? Past simple tense, regular and irregular verbs. You talked about your last summer. Yes, very good. And you made positive and negative sentences. And you even answered the questions which I prepared for you. So today you're going to learn how to ask questions in past simple and answer with the words yes and no. Ready, guys? Okay, good. I need 3 teams. I'm gonna count. You need to remember 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Number 1, number 2, number 3, stand up, make lines, and look at me. Okay, now guys, I have a list of 20 verbs and phrases with verbs for each team, and I have pictures for each number in this list all around the classroom. So what do you need to do? As usually, I remind you, person number 1 looks at line number 1, remembers. Yes, you need to remember. Gives the paper, the list, to the next person in the line, runs around the classroom, finds the picture of the verb or phrase which is in number 1 line, comes here, puts the picture on the desk, goes to the back of the line. And the second person does the same. Okay, so can you take the list with you? No, you cannot. What do you need to find? The picture. Yes, the picture of the action. Yes, of the verb or phrase with verb. What do you do with the picture? Put it on the desk and go to the back of the line. Okay, very good. And next person cannot start running if you didn't come. Okay, so first you come, then the person runs. Let's do it. Okay, very good. So we have the champions, the fastest team. Yeah, good. Now let's check. So number 1, show the pictures. Good. Number 2, number 3. Okay, number 20. Very good. Great. So now, guys, team number 1, sit together, you sit together, and you sit together, please. You have the list of the verbs, of the phrases. You need to make sentences in past simple with these verbs. Sentences should be positive. Positive, negative? Positive. Good. Start, please. Okay, now, guys, please give me your examples, and I want to ask you questions. I swam yesterday. Yes, very good. I swam yesterday. So I have a question. Did you swim yesterday? Did you swim yesterday? Repeat, please. Did you swim yesterday? Okay, so I will write it on the board. Have a look, please. Did you swim yesterday? And you say, yes, I did. Together, yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. Together, no, I didn't. Very good. Your example, please. I slept yesterday. Good. Okay, my question. Did you sleep yesterday? Did you sleep yesterday? Together, did you sleep yesterday? Okay, I will write it on the board. Did you sleep yesterday? And you say, yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. And your example, please. I went for a walk yesterday. Good. Okay, so my question is, did you go for a walk yesterday? Did you go for a walk yesterday? Together, did you go for a walk yesterday? Good. Okay, so I will write it on the board. Did you go for a walk yesterday? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Now please look at the board. So what is the structure? What is the structure of the questions which you see? What is number 1? Did, and then we have subject, and then we have verb in the second form. In the first form, yes, very good. Great. Okay. Guys, let's practice. Please take your cell phones. Go to tubequizard.com. Yes, very good. You see the link on the board. Please type the link. Open the video. So you have the video You need to watch it and fill in the blanks. You cannot press the button which shows the correct answer yet. And you can watch the video 2 times. So how many times you can watch the video? Twice. Yes, very good. Can you press the button with the correct answer? No. Okay, start please. Yes, of course. If you need some time to type, you need to pause, type your answer, and then start the video again, of course. Okay, good. Please check in pairs your answers. Okay, now you can press the buttons so you can see. Maybe you like together misheard something. Okay, very good. Now, so what are the structures in the blanks? Did you questions? Yes, very good. Did you questions? Great. Okay, now you work in the same pairs. Put away your smartphones. Take your books, please, student books. Open the list of irregular verbs. Now, the person number 1 closes his or her eyes, chooses the verb for the partner, and partner needs to ask the question with this verb. And you, the person who closed the eyes, need to answer this question. Just imagine you say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Just choose anything. So how do you choose the verbs? You close your eyes. Yes, very good. Who asks the question? Your partner. Okay, start please. Okay, very good. Now guys, so we have 2 desks here with 6 sets of positive sentences. The sentences are in past simple, of course. Everybody please stand up. We have 6 people on one side, at one side of the desk, and 6 people at the other side. So look at each other, find your partner. So we have 6 pairs of people. Okay, very good. Now listen. You work in pairs and you work one by one. You take turns, okay? So one person takes a sentence in past simple and makes a did you question. And another person needs to answer this question. So do you work together or take turns? You take turns, yes, good. Do you have questions or positive sentences on the desk? Yes, positive sentences. And what do you do with positive sentences? Do you make them negative? No, you make the questions. Very good. And what does your partner do? He or she answers the questions. Yes, great. Start, please. Okay, stop. Everybody makes one step to the right. So you have new questions and new partner and new partners, new sentences and new partners. Okay, very good. Stop, please. Go make one step to the right. Okay, very good. Enough. Yes, everybody please sit down. I give you a paper with 10 questions in past simple again. Some of these questions are wrong. Your task is to read the sentences, find the mistakes, and correct them. And this is an individual work. Do you work in pairs? Individual, yes. Are there mistakes in each sentence? No, not in each sentence. Yes, very good. So we'll check it, do the work, then we'll check your work in pairs, and then we'll check it as the whole group. Thank you very much, guys. Start.